What's up guys, it's Jazzy here. Today I'm going to be making another Christmas DIY and all my supplies are from Dollar Tree. I got my charger plate, I got my pillar candle, I got my flowers. First, let's start with putting on our glitter ribbon. Let's put some LED lights on this candle. Now let's add our acrylic gems. Now it's time to add our flowers. I needed an adult to help me cut the wire on the inside, so my mom helped me. Guys, this is another successful DIY. I love the way it turned out. After I added my glitter ornaments and turned on my light, it came out so beautiful. Well guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. And remember to always stay tuned to this channel. Jazzy the Great, period.